Okay, so the homework video tonight is just solving this problem today. Remember, first we need to get our bases to be the same. So we'll keep the 5 to the 4x minus 1 the same. That's 600, or the 1 over 625. 5 to the 4th is 625. So 5 to the negative 4th will be 1 over 265. We still keep it cubed, or to the 3rd power, and it's going to equal that 25 is 5 to the 2nd, and we again keep that. Next, we need to multiply these two together. So we'll have 5 to the 4x minus 1 times 5 to the negative 12th, and it equals 5 to the 2x plus 4. We need to bring these two together, so we are just going to add them together, the exponents of this. So we have 4x minus 1 minus 12 equals 5 to the 2x plus 4. Now that we have the same base for both of these, we can just forget about the base, worry about the exponents. We'll have 4x minus 1 minus 12 equals 2x plus 4. Combine like terms. Bring our x's to one side. And our non-x's to the other. So we'll have 2x equals 17. And our final answer for x is 17 over 2. If you have any questions on this, please reach out. Otherwise, that is tonight's homework. Enjoy your weekend, and see you Monday.